Yeah, some people wanted me to get the pictures. I'm like, well, I don't have a telephoto lens. Yeah. I'm not getting up close to those things.
No, they're aggravated right now. So.
Yeah. Yeah, because I know that some reports say that they like to be in dead trees.
Yes, they like to get in, and then they will nest in those areas as well.
And I got a bunch of dead trees on the property. I also had some in-ground hornets that I'm not trying to mess with. They got me too, right in the garden.
Smaller?
Yeah.
Those are yellow jackets.
Yeah, yellow jackets. I mean, yeah.
Over there?
In the one in the middle.
Oh, it's inside the.
Yeah.
Yeah, those guys. There's probably hundreds, almost thousands of them that are in there because they go deep into the ground.
Yeah, there. See them right here in the garden bed going in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, one or two of them got me.
That's the thing, we can't really, because you have a garden there.
Yeah.
Can't really do much with that.
Yeah. That's why it looks like that, because I wasn't about the garden in there.
Yeah. Well, with these guys, I mean, because like I said, you have a garden there. Definitely, the first freeze is going to start to,
yeah,
knock them down.
Yeah.
And then it's going to, of course, hopefully we do get because last year we really didn't get much.
Well, that December was horrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, that December did acorns and stuff.
Yeah. All right, so let me. All right, so.
Yeah, probably what I do is I might just get a big old hot boiling pot of water and maybe I just pour it and maybe I get.
Well, that's the thing. The queen is deep in there.
Yeah.
So if you get the other ones, if you do that, what's going to happen is they're going to get because they don't lose their stingers either. They'll keep stinging you.
Well, I'm gonna do it in the wintertime when it's super cold.
Yeah, cause the thing is, if it doesn't get the queen, she can actually overwinter. And then start and then start again.
Okay.
Around this spring, summer, and start all over again.
Maybe what I'll do is when it gets cold, I'll dig all that stuff out, remove it, and then call someone once the garden is gone.
Because
I don't really need it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean it's up to you. If you don't need it, I mean if you need it now, then definitely because I see there's some tomatoes.
Yeah, those tomatoes gonna stay right there too.
Yeah. But if you want a treatment, we can. But I just like I said, if you want to wait till winter to do that, it's up to you.
Yeah.
If you want me to give you an estimate on that, I can as well. It's up to you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. More than likely, what I'm gonna do is I'll take all the dirt out, remove the structure, and it just be as it is.
Right.
Yeah, I remember one time I was working on my car and I actually laid on one of those nests.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I bet that was. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think I got eight stings.
Yeah, I've been doing this for 10 years. I've gotten stung twice, which is pretty good. But I don't,
Yeah, it's not fun.
No, it's not fun. It's not fun at all. All right, let me look at it and. The thing is, I know that the soffit, because they're going to have to pull the soffit down.
Yeah.
To get to it, you know what I mean? And the only thing is that we're not contractors, but we could definitely. I mean, it's kind of easy to pull it out.
Yeah.
But it's just that sometimes what can happen is if it we'll put it back, but sometimes if it like say. Like tears or anything, rips up.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure that we can't be responsible. That's all I'm saying. But definitely we're very careful. Our guys have been doing this for a long time.
Okay.
And they know what they're doing. I'm just just giving you the worst case scenario.
Okay.
On that, but make a quick phone call real quick. Just
sure.
See. Okay, because what happens is we'll do a treatment. We come back. Well. We say give it about 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
If you're still seeing them, then you give us a call.
Okay.
We come back because we give you a 30-day guarantee.
Okay.
And then we would hit it again. But 99% of the time, we get it in one shot.
Okay.
It's just that 1%.
You don't remove the nest though, do you?
No, we don't. Unless it's right there.
Yeah. Okay.
But if it's somewhere deeper in, then if it's in a weird location. Yeah. Yeah, because that might have to be have to take some things. I don't know. Depends on where it's at.
Okay.
But we definitely will get rid of. I mean, every single bee in there will die.
Okay.
And the queen.
Okay.